In one country, there live two children, sister and brother, and they have a name, Miss Andrew.
Jenny, Miss Andrews is not a fool. She's dirty. If we had a kind and beautiful nanny. Oh, did you come down from the sky?
Me, Michael and Jenny. Remember, a real lady doesn't come down from the sky.
How do you know our names? Who are you?
Кто спит до булавки, кто туфли без шляпки, или так ты сама от меня без ума и слова стенки, жертвенный седой и мальчишка любовь. И когда легко и просто выхожу на перекресток, 100 автобусов в ряд неподвижно стоят и гудят машины. Красоте салют. Эти как вас зовут? Мэри, Леди Мэри, Мэри, Леди Мэри. You are bird perfection, you are bird perfection. What is mine is just a million price. Oh, what a disease, oh, what a disease. No me da perfection, no me da magia. Mary, Lady Mary, Mary, Lady Mary, Mary.
Jenny, we would like such a name. But we have Miss Andrews.
Really? Does this angry fury spoil children's lives again?
Yes, she does. Children, go for it.
Andrew, why are you having your hands like a hand?
Am I hand? Are you?
Certainly you're a hand. And remember, you will never be a nanny anymore.
Yes, I will. I but you.
I'll stay till the winds change. And now we are going to the cafe 33 cows.
Me!
There